Hello. Welcome to Casual American English with Amy. Today, phrasal verbs. Gain a better understanding of English. Please watch till the very end of the video. I have a lot of information packed in here. Okay, bail out. Bail out means to rescue, especially financially, or to leave a place or situation, or to pay money to get out of jail. So it really depends on the context. Ball up means to roll into a ball shape. Bear with means to be patient with someone. So bear with me, be patient, watch the entire video, subscribe, like. Okay, believe in. Believe in something that is right, true, or correct, or have the confidence in the ability or power of whatever. Block off means to set aside time for something special. Block out means to prevent from entering or passing through. This can be physically or emotionally. And book you in. Reserve an appointment for someone or something. So I can book you in for a hair appointment today. Branch out. Attempt something new or different, but it could be related. Bubble over means be very enthusiastic or highly excited. Buck up means become encouraged, reinvigorated, or cheerful. Buckle down means you need to make the needed effort to accomplish something. Buckle up means fasten your seatbelt. Build up means accumulate, to pile up, or to increase in stages, or to make something stronger. Bump into means to meet by chance or physically collide into someone or something. Just depends on the context. Burn down. Burn completely so that nothing remains of the item. Burn out, a fire that goes out on its own. Or burn out, which is physically or emotionally exhausted due to overwork or stressful situations. Be named after. This is given the name of another person out of respect. So I was named after my grandmother. Get along. Have a good, friendly relationship with others. Get together. To spend time together in a social setting. Go by means you prefer to be called by a particular name. Grow apart. Start having a close relationship with someone over an extended period of time. Grow up. Develop into adulthood. Look after. Take care of someone or something. Look up to. Respect and admire someone. Take after means you look or behave like an older relative or person of respect. Tell off means to criticize someone angrily for doing something improper or incorrectly. Settle down. Begin to live a slower paced life by getting married and possibly having children. Split up means to end a romantic relationship. Make up means to repair a relationship with someone after an argument or breakup. So breakup also means to end a romantic relationship. Put up with means you tolerate or accept an unpleasant situation or person without complaining too much. Pass away. This is a more respectful way of saying that someone has died. Calm down. Be less excited, intense, energetic, or angry. Catch up. Begin to understand a topic or situation, or be brought up to date with information, or to reach something or someone that was ahead of you. So it truly depends on the context. Cheer up. Spread joy and happiness. Chew out means to scold, reprimand, or rebuke someone. Chicken out means refraining from doing something that is risky. Chill out means relax or calm down. It could also mean to hang out with someone to spend time together in a social setting. Again, it depends on the context. Clean out means to empty something completely, to remove all money or items. You just clean up the whole situation, clean it out. Okay, clean up. Make a place or thing clean. Clean up, dress nice or well groomed, or make a large profit in a financial situation. So I cleaned up in the stock market buying Tesla. Okay, clear out. Completely empty or remove all items. Leave an area quickly. We have to clear out because we're going to close the store soon. Close down, into business for the day or forever. Close in on means enclose around a person or thing. It could also mean catch up within a chase, to near a goal, or to end a pursuit. Take off when we're talking about travel. Here, take off when an airplane departs the runway. Check in means when you arrive or register at a hotel or airport. Get off means to exit the bus, train, plane, boat, or any transportation. Check out, officially leave the place, the hotel, the store, the restaurant. Get on means to enter the bus, the train, the plane, or other transportation. Drop off, take someone somewhere and leave them there. Pick up, let someone get into your vehicle and take them somewhere. Look around means to explore the area, which could be a location or a store or wherever you're at. Hurry up means move faster and stay focused. Stopover or layover means to stay somewhere for a short time during a long journey, usually an airport. Break into means enter with force and destruction. Close down, close your business for the day or forever, depending on the situation. Look forward to means you're excited about something that is expected to happen. Step down means you resign from a job or a position. Back up means make a copy of digital information, or it means get away from me. Dress up is your best clothes or special clothing. Dress down, wear informal clothes. Hang up, to put something on a hook, nail, shelf, or hanger. Hang on, have on clothing, jewelry, or accessories that you're wearing. Kick off means you're going to kick your shoes off. You push your shoes off of your feet very quickly. Put on, to add clothing or to start something. Example, put on a coat, or I need to put on some water to boil. Slip on clothing means to put on an item quickly. Take off means to remove clothing. Take in means alternations to make a garment smaller. Take up is alterations to make the garment shorter. Try on means to put on an item of clothing to find out whether it fits or looks nice. Throw on means to get dressed quickly and carelessly. Zip up, close your zipper on your coat or your jacket. Okay, that was great. You did great. So please click the like button, comment, even with an emoji symbol, and subscribe. It lets me know and YouTube know that you're learning something from me. It will help them to offer my videos to more people. My goal is to have 2,000 subscribers that learn from me daily. I hope to reach this goal by June 15th, 2021. So please help me. Okay. Thank you. Bye for now.